A snake began to chase a firefly that only lived to shine. The firefly stopped and said to the snake, "Can I ask you 3 questions?" The snake said, "Yes." "Do I belong to your food chain?" The snake said, "No." "Did I do anything to you?" The snake said, "No." "Then why you want to devour me?" The snake replied, "'Cause I can't stand to see you shine." Moral of the story: often some people can't stand to see you shine, and that's why they act like snakes, silent and ready to destroy you.